Practicing English is pretty easy nowadays because you have so many AI apps where you can just try to go and install app and start practicing English right away, right? Today's app is gonna be really helpful for you because you're going to practice video call with AI tutors. You don't really have to, worry about practicing anymore. Looking partner and searching some people, their availability is pretty complicated, right? Our time zone is pretty different. So maybe you're meeting different foreigner people and maybe that's a bit challenging. Today's app is gonna give you a lot of different opportunities. Let me give you what kind of things you're going to see in upcoming videos. First of all, you're going to speak English like a native with AI avatars. As you can see this, kind of, if you see this screenshot, maybe you feel like it's a Practica AI, the one I reviewed a couple of months ago, then definitely it's not the same. Practica AI that I reviewed is totally different app, and which app if you want to use, it gives you 3 free mint on Practica AI. But this speak English like a native with AI avatar, this is totally different. If you see another screen here, you have some kind of custom topic. You can try to add some custom topics and you can talk about tourist, airport, and buying some train tickets, right? And moving further, this is how the appearance you're gonna see, where you have a different avatar than the one we had in Practica AI. And you can try to practice with this AI. For example, this is hotel reception. And the interesting thing, you are speaking or simply click in here. Just you don't need to have to press, for example. You're speaking now and here you have a button to translate to Arabic here is right. You can select your own language to speak any or try to translate any language you want to have it. So this is like unit 1, unit 2, and there are lessons, subject, pronouns, more grammar, and above you have a beginner kind of things. And this is another, you can see polished version here, explanation and suggestions. This is different avatar than that. You can change the avatar as well. Expanding your vocabulary, there is like a snorkeling, right? Also, you have some kind of pronunciation audio. You can try to click and listen and save the word. The word you've already been saving, you have these all words you can see here. 6 chat, and here about snorkeling, adventure, and beaches, enjoy. You already have added to your kind of new vocabulary saving kind of list. Anytime you can come back, try to review. So that's how this app is going to look like, and I'm gonna share with you now real review. I'm gonna install this and share with you. This is app logo. If you can see, it's how it's look like, the first logo. So here we are going to simply click let's go. Here we have AI tutors and real tutor. They are showing you differences between them. Simply click let's go. Now you have to select your native language. What is your native language? You have to simply search here, for example, Hindi, I just selected English. So I'm gonna simply clicking Hindi here. I selected Hindi as a native, then I don't have Urdu, so I have selected Hindi. And what is your English level? Suppose you're going to start, just start. If you're a really beginner, then can learn or speak and can handle. I'm gonna simply, for example, click the last one because they have not more options. So if you're a really beginner, just starting, try using just starting to learn. But I'm gonna simply last one, can handle everyday conversations. Now you are going to select what kind of reason do you have to learn English. Just try to communicate with friend or extending your career, for example. If you want to select as many as you want, it's all right. You got 82 of our users and received. Here you have to choose some topic you're interested, like adventure, art, health, business, kind of sport. Okay, I have selected any of them and just try to continue some. You're gonna simply select 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day. It's very important, the goal you have, right? If you want to select 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes, they are really suggestible to have. If you're not sure, simply click not sure. So I am clicking not sure at this moment. 15 minutes a day chatting is good, and is pretty good to help you to run 15 minute to 20 minute. It's great. I'm gonna simply select any of them and continue at this moment. My name is Lakhan. So I selected Lakhan Kumar and simply continuing it, right? Here, I'm gonna simply connect with Patricia, for example, and you have other options as many as you want, anyone you would like to. Simply click the first and continue here. Now let's practice. You can simply skip the introduction and start practicing. I'm gonna simply skip the introduction. You can try to click the introduction if you want to listen. Here, practice option. While using app, skip the introduction and continue. We are building the base plan here. You can see here, get my personal study. If you have something like this, you are going to simply click minus. And here you have so many, we have gifts for you. You can open it. Don't want to skip it. So this is the first appearance. Above you have a 5 free minute to practice today. And simply go to learn. There are so many units, right? Here you have more history as I already showed you before. I'm gonna simply click any one of the topics, for example, tourist in New York. Now here you can start talking. Tourist in New York.
Hi there. You seem kind of lost. Maybe I can help you?
Sure, I think I'm kind of lost. How can you help me?
No problem. Where do you want to go? I can help you find the way.
If my speaker is not good enough, I think I'm gonna increase the volume. I just came here last night and just exploring the New York City.
That's great. New York City has so much to see. Do you have a specific place in mind you want to visit today?
To be honest with you, not really. I'm not sure more about it. And I'm just new here. Would you mind telling me some hidden gem or tourist attraction, places?
Sure. You can visit the High Line, a beautiful park built on an old railway. The Chelsea Market nearby is great for food. Also, check out the Brooklyn Bridge for amazing views. These are some nice spots to start with.
Thanks. That's pretty helpful. Where can I find the nearest kind of airport to go back?
The nearest airport is LaGuardia Airport. You can take a taxi or use public transport to get there. It's not too far from Manhattan.
If you want to translate, here you have a translate button. Simply click the translate. They are going to show you here translation. You can try to understand what she has been saying. Above, if you see some error, simply click this feedback. And so that's how you're going to translate to understand. If you're really beginner, then in that way you can. If you want to listen it again, simply click this.
The nearest airport is LaGuardia. You can take a taxi or use public transport to get there. It's not too far from Manhattan.
Try to stop and try to respond. I've been wondering to find really cheapest hotel to stay, like for accommodation. Do you think are there any cheapest hotels? I mean accommodation?
Yes, there are budget-friendly options. You can try Pod 51 Hotel or the Jane Hotel. Both are affordable and have good reviews.
Are these all places you've been mentioning, are these real in New York? Are you sure about that?
Yes, they are real places in New York. Many visitors enjoy them. You can check online for more details and reviews.
Thank you so much for your guidance. It's really nice meeting you today.
You're welcome. It was nice meeting you too. Enjoy your time in New York.
We have already completed first and we got 3 minutes to practice. So we have already done it. You can practice 5 minutes and after, you can see after 5 hours, you will get again 5 minutes. So that's pretty great, you know? So it's wonderful. Try to practice. There are so many topics you can talk about here: buying ticket, airport, real estate, you know. So as many as you want to talk, different topic, you can start talking and practicing your English. I like this because they give you different type of things. If you want to ask AI, they will help you. Here we have a learn tab. You know, there are units. Simply click any one unit. For example, this first unit shows. So here are some other topics. In beginner, you can choose your level, you know. What is your level? Simply click it. And then here we have history, one chat. This is one chat we talked. This is one chat we had already. It's on Wednesday. And this is my account here. I'm not sure. I couldn't set a lot of things. Enable the notification if you want. Don't enable this, all right? You can try to visit the tour.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, how can I help you?
You can try to choose your tutor if you want to change it. It was my first one.
Hello, how can I help you? Hello, how can I help you?
So anyone you want to choose avatar and start speaking, you can try. It's just 5 minutes free every day. And here you have more sign up option. I have not signed up yet. I'm using free version, right? Without signing up. If you want to sign up, maybe you get more mint. If you want to simply click sign up, go to Google, select one of your email address, just keep loading. I already clicked one of them. It's pretty easy when you are going to sign up. After signing up, you have perhaps different mints, right? So if you have a few Gmails, if you're trying, maybe you will get 5, 10, 20 mint different. But I am not suggesting you. I'm suggesting you try 5 minutes free. They are giving you as practicing your English. If you like it, it's great. If you don't like it, then it's up to you totally. Yes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am sure it was really helpful for you. If you didn't like this video, it's alright. If you like it, then please hit the like button. And if you have any kind of complaint, questions, suggestions, feel free to comment below and subscribe for more interesting videos. I always suggest you great apps. So if you're interested in learning related apps, then do subscribe. Till then, take care of yourself. See you next time. Love you guys.